Hi everyone! Today we are going to make garlic buns. They are soft and fluffy buns that are baked and topped with garlic, green onion, and butter. Besides smelling heavenly, they taste amazing. Now let's get started. To make the dough, you will need these ingredients. You can either make the dough by hand or using a stand mixer if you have one. I'll be showing you how to make it by hand first, so skip ahead to the timestamp in the description if you would like to use a stand mixer. Pour the flour in a big bowl and mix it with the yeast. Now add the sugar and salt and mix them up. Next, add in the 2 eggs and egg white, stirring the mixture. You'll need about 1 cup of milk. Depending on your dough, you may need a little more or a little less, so adjust accordingly if needed. We're aiming for this texture here. Afterwards, knead the dough into a ball. Add the butter and continue until the dough is smooth and round. If you want, you can add some flour to make it less sticky. Moving to a smooth surface can make it easier to form a smooth ball. Once you're satisfied with the shape, cover the dough and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. Now I'll show you how to make the dough using a stand mixer. For those who have already made the dough by hand, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp in the description below. Place all the ingredients except for butter into the mixer on low speed. When it's been mixed together, speed up until it forms a ball. If needed, you can add some flour to make it less sticky. Now add the butter and mix until it forms this smooth ball. Brush a little oil on the surface, cover the dough, and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. Now let's make the garlic mixture. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, chop the green onions. Next, grate the garlic. In a bowl, combine the butter, garlic, salt, and green onions. Mix well. Fill up a piping bag with the mixture. Feel free to use a plastic food bag instead of a piping bag. Then cut off the bottom corner. Once the dough is ready, divide it evenly into 10 pieces and round them out. Roll each piece out into a flat circle that is about 5 inches in diameter. Then roll them up and pinch the ends together, making an oval shape. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment and set them aside for half an hour. Be careful that they don't overproof. While you wait, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then make a deep cut in the center of the buns. With a deeper cut, there's more surface area to add more of the garlic sauce, and the buns will open wider when they're baked. Next, pipe the garlic mixture into the cuts. Here's a tip. If you heat the garlic mixture so that it softens a bit, it will be easier to pipe out. Before putting the buns in the oven, brush them with a mixture of 1 beaten egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of milk. Let them bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they turn golden. And you're done! These garlic buns are soft, fluffy, and super fragrant. Enjoy! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.